Okay, so I'm here at the sink to do our hand washing. Um, you're going to want to make sure that you have three things: some paper towels to dry your hands with, soap, and running water. So the water can be warm or cool, whatever's comfortable for you. So I'm going to go ahead and get the water running. Make sure it's comfortable. And the first thing you're going to want to do when you wash your hands is get them wet. Nice and wet. Once you've rinsed them, you can go ahead and get some soap. 1 or 2 pumps should be good. And then you're going to want to lather them together for at least 20 seconds. So that's the ABCs through once, not rushing, or happy birthday twice. So whatever you prefer. And when you scrub, you're going to want to scrub the palms, your fingers, in between your fingers like this, the tops of your hands. You can get under your nails by scrubbing on your palm, taking kind of like a claw and scrubbing on your palm. And getting your thumbs and even up to your wrists is good. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, and then go ahead and rinse off your hands. Get all of that soap off. Okay, and then you grab your paper towel, dry your hands off, and then take your paper towel and turn the faucet off.